No. Nonna would be proud! Ingredienti? Italian, of course, just like me. Today we're creating an amazing dish with Roman-style tomato-infused green beans, eggs cooked in the base of tomato, and then we toast the bread to accompany it. Of course! Just like as a little, we call it scarpetta. Dipping the bread in the tomato sauce with the egg. I'm telling you, it's so special. First thing we do is get yourself the pasta with marinara sauce or any other passata tomato puree you have at home. In this case, mine is already amazingly pounded with flavor, basil, onion, garlic, pepper. All we gotta do is warm it up so that the green beans dive into it. Let's boil the green beans. We add some salt. You know, Nonna's trick is to never waste anything. You see this? There's a little bit of sauce left. Get a little bit of the green bean water. Put it inside. Lid back on. Shake it. Like a cocktail, but it's tomatoes. And now it's clean. Keep the jar, put some pickled onions in it, whatever you want, pickled marinated. Pickle something and stick it in here. This literally is ready to go. You can add a little bit of salt as you please. But remember, there's already some sea salt in it. Sourdough bread whenever you can. Now we toast the bread. Green beans are about ready. Now what's happening here? We're putting it in the tomato, my own marinara, to really soak in those gorgeous flavors. Ooh. Taste the green beans with the marinara. A little bit of salt. Sinfully gorgeous, just like you are. Mwah! This is the moment. It's been 3 minutes. They're soaking in. We add, I would say, easily 4 eggs, 4 people meal, okay? Or 2. Doesn't matter. Gentle. You do not want to break the egg. A pinch of salt on the egg yolks. And now you cook with the steam for 3 to 4 minutes. A scrunch of pepper. And now the basil. Serve it hot with your bread on the side. Just gorgeous. Guys, you have no idea what's happening here. No. Nonna would be proud!